Hi, I am Amit Lunkad from Sitabai Thite College of Pharmacy, Shirur. Today, my topic of presentation is Diuretics. After completion of this presentation, learners will able to explain mechanism of action of carbonic anhydrase inhibitors. Carbonic anhydrase inhibitors is a class of diuretics which inhibit carbonic anhydrase enzyme in the membrane and cytoplasm of the epithelial cells. The primary site of action is proximal tubules. These agents interfere with the reabsorption of bicarbonate ions. Let's move with the mechanism of action of carbonic anhydrase inhibitors. Bicarbonate ion is reabsorbed in the proximal tubules and requires the activity of this carbonic anhydrase enzyme. Also, the carbonic anhydrase converts the water and carbon dioxide to carbonic acid intracellularly. This form carbonic acid get dissociates into H plus and bicarbonate ions. The bicarbonate ions get transported across the basolateral membrane and H plus ion secreted into the tubular lumen in exchange for sodium. These secreted H plus ions get combines with the bicarbonate ions and forms a carbonic acid. This form carbonic acid immediately get dissociates into the carbon dioxide and water that get again reabsorbed. So the filtered bicarbonate is get reabsorbed for every H plus ions which is secreted. So here this process is continuously takes place with the help of carbonic anhydrase enzyme. So these carbonic anhydrase inhibitors which prevent the reabsorption of bicarbonate ions by blocking this carbonic anhydrase enzyme, and also the conversion of this carbon dioxide and water to carbonic acid also get inhibited by these carbonic anhydrase inhibitors. Due to that, there is an accumulation of bicarbonates in the tubular lumen. Here there is an accumulation of these bicarbonate ions, due to which inhibit the sodium proton exchange and also it inhibit the sodium reabsorption. The increase in sodium concentration in the tubular fluid may be compensated partially by increased NaCl reabsorption in latter segment of the tubule, and thus the diuretic effect of the carbonic anhydrase inhibitors is mild, and therefore these carbonic anhydrase inhibitors also called mild diuretics. Moving to the uses of this carbonic anhydrase, it can be used for the treatment of glaucoma. Glaucoma is nothing but in that there is an increase in intraocular pressure. So for relieving this, these carbonic anhydrase inhibitors can be used. Also for epilepsy and acute altitude sickness, this carbonic anhydrase can be used. The carbonic anhydrase having a side effect of metabolic acidosis, but this side effect we can be used for treating the metabolic alkalosis condition. It can be also used for the treatment of cystinuria and enhanced excretion of uric acid and other organic acids. Cystinuria is a condition in which there is a maximum concentration of cystine in urine. So due to that maximum concentration, there is a chances of formation of a cystine stone inside the kidney. So to treat this, to increase the excretion of cystine from kidney, these carbonic anhydrase inhibitors can be used. So here we discuss the mechanism of action of carbonic anhydrase inhibitors with uses of carbonic anhydrase inhibitors. Hope all of you getting this. Thank you and happy learning.